Oh yeah, Naija people, welcome back to the channel. Today we get a story about TikTok star Peller. We just got himself a brand new car and they make everybody they shout shege. Let's dive into this sweet gist sharp. Wetin dey happen, my people? How you na dey? This na your number one spot for all gist. And today we dey talk about Habib Hamzat aka Peller. That TikTok guy wey dey scatter everywhere with him funny videos and Yoruba pidgin fights. E don happen. Peller just land one big car and e no be small thing o. This gist too fresh, so make una hold seatbelts, let's roll. My people, Peller don buy new ride. So just yesterday, March 21, 2025, Peller jump on im social media dey shout, "Congrats to me o!" Im post picture wey dey burst brain. One fine Benz GLC shine like morning star at just 18 years old. This guy don add this mad machine to im garage. Some dey talk say na im third car, and some dey talk say e worth like 180 million naira. Chai! Whether na true or not, the car clean die, sleek, black and classy. If you dey enjoy this kind gist, abeg smash that like button, hit subscribe and turn on notification bell so you no go miss any updates wey I go bring una. My people, Peller dey post with big smile on his face. Im caption is say, "One of my dream cars at 18, we just dey start." Chai! This boy dey motivate person o, from TikTok skits to car keys. Peller dey show say also fit pay and e dey ginger im fans o. Believe in their own dreams too. Abeg make una watch and enjoy the video.
Yebo. Yes. I swear I no press key. Now keep it this. See am. Hold am. Put your hand like this. Oh yeah. Can your motor ever close, baby? Close.
To leg where? To stand where?
Like. Oh go. Hey. Baby, you know how to say.
Hey, omo, see as happiness full in body. Na so he carry his girlfriend o, Jadolita. Na so dem come dey start the celebration. Hey, omo, see love o. Jadolita baby, I go love o, love one thing. Oh yeah, Benzema. Yeah, make una zoom off.
To talk today, say I buy motor. Oh Lord, I had you.
Congratulations to you.
That's your problem. I don't say you, but yeah. I know my guys, oh yeah.
Control disappear and
Alec, my car. I buy new car today. Alec.
Yes.
What is up, bro? What is up? Hey, bro.
Congratulations. My own is sold. My own is today. Who buy last year?
Yeah, don't get shot. Yo.
Kill a lady, you need them.
What tuna? What tuna?
That's a common thing. My motor. You know easy, oh. You know easy. Things also see a
So congratulations o, Peller, more keys.